English alphabet. A. A for apple.
A for apple.
B. B for bird.
B for bird.
C. C for cat.
C for cat.
D. D for dog.
D for dog.
E. E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F. F for frog.
F for frog.
G. G for goat.
G for goat.
H. H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J. J for jackal.
J for jackal.
K. K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L. L for lion.
L for lion.
M. M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
R for rainbow.
R for rainbow.
S for sunflower.
S for sunflower.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for vegetables.
V for vegetables.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for Ian.
Y for Ian.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
বাই বাই ছোট্ট সোনামণিরা, দেখা হবে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে। ততক্ষণ ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো, আর অবশ্যই পাশে থেকো। থ্যাংক ইউ।